Are you having issues with Windows 11's File Explorer not opening? I'll walk you through 3 simple solutions to fix it in this little article. Open the search menu and type File Explorer Options. Select File Explorer Options from the results. Under the General tab, click Restore Defaults. In the View tab, click Restore Defaults and Reset Folders, then Confirm. Under the Search tab, click Restore Defaults and Apply Changes. Open the search menu, type CMD, and right-click Command Prompt to select Run as Administrator. Code SFC/Scanno, press Enter, and allow the system scan to complete. Restart your computer. After the steps above, restart your PC to apply changes and check if the issue is resolved. Right-click the Windows button, select Task Manager. In Task Manager, click the File tab and choose Run New Task. Type Explorer and click OK. Under Apps, right-click Windows Explorer and select Restart. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.